Ancient cities hold secrets buried in their stones. And I'm here to uncover them, one flight at a time. I'm Alex, and this is Legends from Above. I explore Europe's most haunting, historic, and hidden places. Today we're in Gdansk, Poland, a city where pirates once roamed, revolutions ignited, and legends linger in every cobblestone. For centuries, Gdansk's towering crane loaded ships with amber and gold, while St. Mary's Church stood guard, its bricks whispering prayers for sailors lost at sea. But Gdansk isn't just about the past. Here, forests hide forgotten paths, and shipyards echo with cries for freedom, proving even the darkest legends can inspire light. Subscribe and hit the bell. You don't want to miss this.